All right, we're going to do this one, copper 2 carbonate. We're going to decompose it. And so let me get some copper 2 carbonate here. A couple of scoops of this stuff. All right, so I got some copper 2 carbonate in the test tube. Then I'm going to clamp the test tube right at the very top here. And so let's go ahead and clamp this. So I'll just pinch it and then tighten the winglet here. And then I'm going to clamp it to the ring stand. And I want to tilt this at an angle here. Tilt it at an angle here. And when this one decomposes, it's going to generate a gas. So I couldn't find the right equipment. I don't know where they put it. Stockroom personnel. But there are two tubes. This tube going down here is blocked off. And then there's a tube opening here that's going to go out this tube here. So I'm going to trap some gas there. I'm going to get some calcium hydroxide solution. You can see there's a whole bunch of precipitate down here at the bottom, but I'm going to get it off the top. So it's fairly clear off the top. So let's do that. And so it's a CCS. I get a test tube, a small test tube of this stuff. And pour it in. There. And so you can see it's a pretty CCS here. Okay, and then I'm going to put one end in here like this. Yes. And so any gas that's being generated is going to bubble through this solution here. And so let me fire up the burner. Okay, and then we're going to heat this. Here. First, I heat it on the soft part of the flame, so I don't want to get it too hot. And keep an eye on this behind me. You can watch the bubbles. Do you see the bubbles coming in the test tube? Yeah. Take a look at the color of the copper 2 carbonate. It's starting to turn black. Let's continue heating that. Okay, so I didn't decompose all of it, but I decomposed a lot of it. And now take a look at the test tube here. I'm going to pull out the hose. It was bubbling a CCG. But what happened was now it turned into white PPT. No, it was a CCS before, but now it's a white PPT. It's a cloudy white PPT. And so when we bubble this gas through lime water, we get a white precipitate. Like that. Let me get some fresh lime water here. It's not so fresh. Let me get some fresh lime water here. What time is it? Yeah. 6:05. We're out of time. But let me do something as a demo here. One thing I can do as a demo, which I don't have, shoot. That was strong. Okay, wait 1 second. Just do one final thing. Watch what happens to the lime water. I'm going to blow bubbles through this. I'm not going to inhale because that would be very bad, but I'm going to blow bubbles. Oops. Don't want to blow too much. Too big of a straw. You see what's happening? I'm getting white PPT. And so when CO2 reacts with lime water, we get a white PPT. So I'm exhaling or blowing CO2 bubbles into the lime water. I spilled lime water all over my papers. All right, so unfortunately we're out of time. I forgot to keep track of the time. So I don't know how many of the reactions we finished, but I guess we'll finish the rest next time. All right, so okay, we'll stop here and then wrap things up. Let me see what the chat says. Okay, we're done. All right, so anyway, work on the test. The test is due Monday, anytime on Monday. All right, well, have a nice weekend. Try to do well on the test. We'll see you guys Monday. Bye now. Yeah, no labs are due. There is a lab due. The Bunsen burner lab is due. Bunsen burner lab is due today.